Okay. Hi. So, Megan Renee here. I am the Femma Business Builder. You'll see me online all the time under Megan Renee and whatnot. So, I just wanted to do a quick scope for my Perry Girls Heart Tribe. And I figured I would start off by talking about this super awesome book that I have been reading here lately. It's called The Accidental Athlete by Stephanie Atwood. So, really quick right here. Accidental Athlete. It's really good. It's short. I think it's only like 38 pages. You can pick it up on Amazon. And talks about this woman. Her name is Stephanie. She grew up like in the 50s or 60s in like a rural area, and there was no physical fitness for women then. They weren't encouraged to run, they weren't encouraged to do anything, and it talks about her journey and finding herself and figuring out that she had this the inner athlete and her way of really pushing herself to her limits and doing what it is that she wanted to do and what it is that she needed to do for herself, even though, back then women weren't even allowed to do marathons, Boston Marathon or anything like that. They were banned from it. And taking inspiration from watching the first woman sign up and basically pretending to be a man, and then suddenly on the course they realized, hey, this is actually a woman running this race, and she's not dying, she's not freaking out, she's actually handling it and taking it like the men are. So it was awesome watching this author Stephanie go from barely making it in her high school doing the presidential fitness run to suddenly becoming an athlete and running miles at a time and digging in and finding that inner strength. And I think it's a really good message for all of us. I think it's something that women especially can take in and bring to their own center and really focus on, learn from her that just because you don't have the tools or the know-how now doesn't mean that you can't do it. This is supposed to be a short scope since it's from my heart tribe, so I'm going to hop off of here soon, but check it out. Accidental Athlete, super cheap on Amazon. It's a really quick read. It's like 38 pages. Pretty inspirational book, super good. This has been Megan, and it's been fun talking to you. Thanks.